What's up, Destroyer? What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Destroyer Motors. You feel me? So, got another banger. You feel me? Another banger. As always, y'all know I always come in clutch with the bangers. Tonight we got a little. I ain't gonna say a little. We got a big car meet tonight. It's something called Tokyo Nights. So I got my homeboy in the truck behind me. I got the Charger crew in front of me. So yeah, so I'm gonna cut the camera on when I do. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Oh, it's another street, bro.
Damn,
This deep
I forgot
as
my camera,
hell.
bro.
Damn. Do you want to go get it? It's all right. We're going. Damn cars, these bikes.
What are you doing over there?
It's probably a rev battle. I don't know. I don't know what they looking at.
Supposedly he jumped in some cars.
He jumped in 2 cars.
Oh, that little skateboarder dude? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, God. That nigga.
Yes, I got it! Did you get it? I see that! Dude, everyone said that.
Jonathan, let me get on your back. No, I'm gonna do it.
Oh my God, he on X Games mode.
Bro, he did, nigga. That's so excuse me.
Boy, them Supers were
Oh, they probably just had to move. Supra. Oh, they ain't dead. Ray got it. No, sir. I ain't. Boy, y'all got it. I ain't doing that.
Hey, bro, how much
But you could see everything.
How much you give me for getting on the roof?
Bro, I'll buy you a motherfucker hot and ready.
Well, hey, a pizza from up there be crazy.
Shit, I hot and ready and we got a deal. I hope not.
I'm sure they got another spot though.
Yeah, they ain't gonna end it already.
If not, we just follow everyone.
I'm telling you, it's one of them nights, bro. It's one of them nights. If someone's gonna die, I'm gonna Okay. Talk to me. Yeah. That boy on the top.
That's right. Yeah. Look at the Nissan next to it.
Oh shit, somebody's hired. This shit getting crazy.
Yeah, bro, this is crazy.
They're gonna bring a whole squad up in this bitch.
Yeah, I don't know. Y'all want to play it safe or what? Cause
Hey,
they
gonna be focused over here though.
they gonna come deep in a
Motherfuckers
minute.
got lasers and shit.
They fooling, bro.
Imagine being up there, bro, shit. They're gonna be stuck up there.
No, for real, police gonna be on their ass for being up there.
Imagine being the property owner.
Man.
You don't.
God damn. We got the HELLCAT. Oh, this is 392. He got me, boy. I thought that was a HELLCAT. He got a laptop in his shit. Oh, hell no. I gonna lie, my damn ears hurt for God damn.
Where'd that other boy go?
Bro, they smoking it up.
Hey, dude, burn out, bro.
Oh yeah, cause police will kick their ass out.
They already trying to.
Man, right. Bro, they got it. I'm not doing that, but they crazy as hell. Man. This nigga's talking about do it again. He ain't got no doors on.
Are you gonna go somewhere?
They trying. Yeah, y'all. We leaving right now. Cause this meat, this a crazy meat. Like the police shutting it down. They low key blocking off the entrances. So I don't know if they doing that so nobody can leave. I don't know why they doing that, but yeah, right now we just about to take off. So we probably about to get something to eat or something. I'll cut the camera back on. We do that, or if anything else happens. But it's crazy right now. Man, I guess I missed it. That's why I need to keep this camera up. Oh, man.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?